Judge fines Trump $9,000, threatens jail for contempt in hush money trial. Now, the picture we have here is from the court reporter, because there's no actual cameras in court, and it has a picture that looks like it's actual Don Trump Jr. and not Eric Trump, who actually was there in the court case. This may be from a few days back. Donald Trump Jr. I'm sorry, Eric Trump is the first family member who's supposedly been into the courtroom since this thing started, but that looks like Don Jr., so I don't know what's up with this one. In the meantime, maybe it's just an old picture from an other court case that we just mixed up. But here's the deal. The judge got pretty jiggy on Donald Trump yesterday, fining him for, I believe, 9 counts, $1,000 a count of contempt, and there's a hearing this morning coming up in a few hours where there's 4 other counts to deal with. The judge has essentially threatened to put Donald Trump in jail for contempt, make him sit in the cooler for a little bit because of outbursts and mumbling and heavy sighs and just sort of saying things and coming out of the courthouse and basically flat out lying. You can call me on that one if you want to. But each time he goes to court, there's some sort of violation of the hush of the of his not his well the hush money trial, but of what he can say on folks, his gag order. And he basically comes out and says, I can't do the gag order. The judge is belligerent. My freedom of speech, can't see my son, blah, 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 blah. A lot of Donald Trumpian things, which basically, as fact checkers say, he basically contradicts himself within 20 seconds of saying words a lot of times because what he is and what he does. The judge, Juan Merchan, fined $9,000 and threatened jail for contempt of court, which is heightening the tension of the legal stakes in the proceedings and just how big a deal it is for someone who's a ex-vice president, ex-president, to do this. He is saying he's the first president to have this done to him because he's first president up for trial for federal charges. So it is a first. He is true about that one. But he's the reason why we're dealing with this. Literally the reason why any of this thing is a problem.